Oh, budget travelers here in Gira Blanca with the electricians. ¿Cómo electrician en español? Electricidad?
Electricity.
Electricity?
Electricidad.
Sí, I'm an electrician in Canada.
Are you an
¿Y ti?
electrician?
Sí. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo se llama?
I'm Luis.
Luis, me llamo Chris.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice to meet you too. And they're hooking up the meter. The meter had a problema. ¿Qué es el problema?
Terminal was rusted.
Oh, the terminal was rusted.
Yeah, and the meter.
And the meter?
Was locked.
See? So,
We're going to change it.
Otro medidor.
You need to change the terminal.
El problema.
you need to change the terminal, so you can't fix it
Y
today?
el medidor está dañado y se lo
No
vamos a
fix
cambiar.
today? Or temporary?
We're not. We're not. The terminals are your property or the
Oh,
property by the owner.
Is our problema?
Yeah, it's part of your
Our responsibility?
Sure.
Yeah, so is there power now at the house?
It's power on.
But it's got a problem, might happen again?
I don't think so. So we changed the measure because the measure was locked.
Oh, the meter turned off, turned red.
Was locked.
Right.
So we changed the meter, but to do better the service, you need change the terminals because are rusted.
They're corroded, yeah. Well, mucho bueno. Because we've had no power for about 20 horas.
Okay.
Yeah, no power for 20 horas. So, ¿dónde usted? Guadalajara?
No.
Or aquí?
I'm from Vallarta.
Vallarta. Oh, sí. ¿Dónde en Vallarta? For Seis or Nuevo or
No, around the downtown.
Emiliano Zapata area?
Yes.
I lived there too, many years.
Yo sí, Emiliano Zapata,
Sí, too, in Emiliano Zapata?
Venustiano Carranza. Nosotros ahí las de colonias de Ismaloya,
Sí.
ahí vivíamos.
Oh, bueno.
Ahí vivíamos nosotros.
Nosotros, sí.
En la papería Limón.
Sí.
¿Te ubicas?
And sí, live there now?
Ajá.
Sí, bueno.
Estábamos.
This cuatros or dos horas to drive here from Puerto Vallarta to
Menos, ¿ah? Una hora.
An hour. 1 hour.
una hora in the truck, 1 hour. It's like tres horas on the autobus.
Yeah.
See? Tres, 3 hours on the autobus, 1 hour driving to Puerto Vallarta from here. You work from Puerto Vallarta all the way come here?
No, we came from Carretaderas,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Nuevo Vallarta,
Yeah.
around there.
Oh, I see. And you work Monday to Friday?
We're working from Sunday at Saturday.
Saturday all the way to Sunday. Only one day off? Domingo?
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, bueno.
this is a long week.
Oh, a long week. 6 days. 6 días in a semana. Yeah, bueno.
We have the guard.
Yeah. Well, mucho bueno. And muchas gracias. Okay, adios. You never know who you're going to see or what you're going to run into on Budget Traveler. So be sure to ring the bell when you subscribe. After you subscribe, to be notified of all new and exciting videos coming to you soon from Budget Traveler.